All right, so I've got this Oreck with a non-original bag, but this bag is in really good condition. We're gonna have a really easy service video for this machine. First thing we'll do is go ahead and pull this out. And this one's actually got the upgraded bag dock in it, which is nice. But this bag is full. Let's pull it out just like that. It's not full, but it can do to be changed. It smells too. So we've got a HEPA bag. Throw this in, down and click, and click. So now just to flip it over, we're going to replace the brush roll because that's in horrible condition, and the belt, and we'll clean out what needs to be cleaned out, but I don't think this is going to be all that dirty. This is a 2009 machine. And this machine at the time would have been the most basic machine you could have gotten. And now that I'm looking at this base plate needs to be replaced. That's in really bad shape. So we'll replace that at a different time. This actually has a newer belt on it. And all I'm going to do here is just slide the belt onto the motor shaft. This motor shaft is really clean, so we don't have to worry about cleaning that. Now obviously I'm going to have to replace this at a later date. I don't have another one of these. But for now, we'll just run it as it is because that'll get us a quick enough service on this. Happy with that. Seems to run well. Stay tuned for more videos.